Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to my channel. I have just come back from the grocery store. You guys have just seen that we all went to the grocery store for the monthly groceries. It's so hot, guys. It's so hot outside. It's so humid actually today. So we got a lot of things. We got the entire monthly groceries like dal, rice, spices, all the things that we pretty much need in the household. So I'm not gonna show you guys the entire thing. I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got for myself. So Puja is around the corner. Today is probably Ditya. I don't really remember. But Puja is just right around the corner. So I needed some stuffs. And I'm so sorry because there's like construction work going on in our place, so that it's gonna be a little noisy. Yeah, let's begin. Okay, I'm gonna start with a very random purchase. Okay, so I got this notebook from Classmate, and I just bought it. I don't know why. It just looked so cute. Like it's like blue and yellow, and it's so cute. Just look at it. It's like ruled. So yeah, let's see. I hope this is useful to me. This will be useful to me. It has like a orchestra. See, there's like an orchestra in the front cover. It's like drums and piano and like trumpets and like saxophone and stuff. It's so cute. Okay, this is the first purchase. I also got another notebook, and this is also because the packaging and the cover is so cute. So here's the next notebook. This is also from Classmate. And guys, it's literally written, I love K-pop music, which I do. I'm a huge BTS ARMY, you guys already know that. It's so cute, like the color schemes and everything just felt so beautiful. I had to get it. I literally had to get it. It's so pretty. I just love collecting cute notebooks, you know, like this is a very bad hobby that I have, but this is so cute. This is also ruled. I actually cannot write in like unruled blank pages, you know, it's like a little tough for me. But yeah, that's the notebook. Okay, I got two notebooks. Now, the interesting part. So, you guys remember Cheetos, right? Like the Cheetos, that cheese ball, that cheese powder ball, sort of something that we used to have when we were young. I went to More today and I literally came across this. Oh my god, I had to get it. Like Cheetos was my favorite. Like Cheetos was my favorite. I used to have them so often. It reminds me of my like childhood. Like this is so nice. Like I got Cheetos, just see, Cheetos masala balls. I don't even remember it was called masala balls like till I saw this. But guys, that tiger, you remember? It's so pretty. Let's try it. Smell doesn't seem familiar. The smell seems a little changed. It's not the same smell. Okay, this is how it is. No, this doesn't taste like the ones in our childhood. The ones in our childhood, you know, had a little like a sweet, tangy, spicy sort of a flavor. This is a little just tastes like kurkure, you know. I'm disappointed. Okay, let's keep it aside. The next thing that I got is this. This is a Himalaya facial wipe. I've already used one. You can see it's like toned. So the puja is around the corner and I needed one of these. I ran out of facial wipes. I needed one of these to like remove makeup and stuff. So I needed these. This is very useful, like for lipsticks, for like eye makeup, for anything probably. If you guys know me, I'm not huge on makeup, you know. I don't do like foundation and stuff. I just like put lipsticks and a little bit of blush, and like sometimes I do like glam eye makeups when I go out for weddings and stuff. So this is a very useful thing. I need this around the puja. Okay, the next thing is this. These are Lakme Blush and Glow Fruitylicious Sheet Mask Strawberry Blast. So these are like sheet masks, and I use this like at night before sleep for skincare. And these are really good for my skin. Like I did not face any breakouts or anything using these. These are pretty fine. These just like the work gets done. Yeah, I got 2 of the same flavor, like same flavor, I guess it's called flavor, right? I don't know. Okay, I actually had to get an aloe vera gel for the longest time, literally the longest time. So I just went with the trusted Patanjali aloe vera gel. It's like Patanjali Saundarya aloe vera gel. It's just normal aloe vera gel. So the next thing that I got is this one. This is the Himalaya Natural Glow Rose Face Wash. This is what I got. So I actually have been using like Himalaya Neem face wash for the longest time because that doesn't break me out. Any other face wash breaks me out. Any other. Literally. Like I have tried millions in my life and everything breaks me out. I get like pimples, I get like rashes and it burns and itches and everything, but only the Himalaya products are like suited for my skin. So I got this new rose face wash. This is a new thing. Like I just saw this pink color and I thought it was so cute, so I bought it. Like this is so random. I needed one because of course like puja is around the corner, so we need like things to remove like the makeups and like to freshen up. So this is the next product that I got. So last but not the least, I got 2 deodorants. Here are they, and one of them is the body deodorant Secret Temptation Mystery. This is a very cute yellow packaging. It has a very beautiful smell, you know. It has a really nice smell. I'm obsessed, guys. This is so good. Okay, I really like this one. I got this one, and then there's this one. This is the Woman Engage Perfume Spray W5. Okay, let's spray this. This is like mediocre. This is not like extraordinary something. Oh my god, this one is so strong. Goodness. I wish you guys could smell it. It's like it burnt my nose, literally. Oh my god, I'm not using this one. This one is so beautiful. This is so mild, this one. That was the haul, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Puja is gonna start from day after tomorrow, and let's have a very safe and very fun puja this year.